A 5-strand horse fence made of lightweight polyamide cable is a safer alternative to steel wire or metal fencing for horse paddocks. Gripples are ideal to terminate and join the horse fence. When using polyamide cable with a gripple, it's important to cut the cable at a sharp angle to allow it to pass through the gripple easily. Now we will look at using fence staples to begin and terminate the strand. Insert the gripple first, loop around the post, through the staple, back into the gripple, and pull for tension. You can use the release tool to adjust the cable. Hold the tool in place while you adjust to give yourself more maneuverability. The release key also works to remove the cable from the gripple. It is stronger to use holes drilled in the fence posts. You can again put the cable through the gripple first, then pass the cable through the drilled hole, wrap it around, and pass it back through the gripple and again pull for tension. To tidy up the ends of the cable and prevent your horses from getting scratched on the raw ends, you can simply use our white adhesive tape wrapped around the loose end and the continuing cable. And for extending the cable, starting a new reel or tensioning the cable, you put the end into the gripple and the new cable into the other end of the gripple and pull to take up any slack. Polyamide cable is very high strength. It has an extremely smooth surface. It has a memory which allows the cable to stretch 25% and then return to normal, so it is much gentler on the horse, flexing and moving when the horse rubs up against it. You can find these products and many more at deerfencecanada.com. They are linked in the description below.